Hey people, John here, and in this video I want to talk about something that's really important to me. The other week I saw a post in a carpet cleaner Facebook group. I'm not going to say which group it was or who the post was by, but basically somebody had said, I'm doing my marketing myself, I'm doing my books myself, I'm doing this myself, I'm cleaning the carpets myself, I'm doing that myself, I'm doing everything myself, and I'm making I'm saving all this money, and you don't need other people and you can do everything yourself and this, that and the other. And when I saw that, it really made me angry, I've got to be honest with you. And maybe there's going to be some comments and some feedback on this video, but what frustrated me the most and what upsets me is that when it comes to growing and scaling a business, whether it's a carpet cleaning business or otherwise, that's completely the wrong mindset, number one. And number two, you shouldn't be giving out this really bad business advice to other young carpet cleaning business owners that are trying to get ahead in the game and stuff like that, because let me tell you, doing everything yourself is totally not how you become wealthy. It's not how you become successful, and it's certainly not how you get more freedom in your life and generate more time. If you've ever read any business book, if you've ever watched any entrepreneurship YouTube channel, if you followed any gurus or any of the big time players, if you look at any of the big multi-billionaires in the world, they did not get to where they are by doing it all themselves. It's honestly. And so the fact that there's people out there that are saying things like this and spreading this kind of wrong mindset and kind of bad business advice is really concerning to me. And so in this video, I want to just do some basic kind of business acumen 101 and sort of break down in black and white the real basic kind of principles of growing and scaling any business and the formula for it. Because what I'm seeing out there in the carpet cleaning industry at the moment, which is really worrying to me, is that you've really got kind of two people. You've kind of got business owners that happen to own a carpet cleaning business that have got that kind of right mindset, that understand the principles of running, growing, scaling a business. And then you've got basically carpet cleaners, owner operators, and these are people that are carpet cleaners first, all about the technique, the tools and the gear and all of that, and business owners second. And I feel that if some of these owner operators just had a little bit more education on the business side, and they had the right advice and they had the right understanding and mindset, they could be doing so much better. And unfortunately, there's people out there saying things like, what I talked about at the start of this video, just putting people down a completely wrong track, generating the wrong kind of values and things like that. And so I just wanted to do this video just to kind of just give everybody out there just the basic kind of business foundations that all kind of businesses are built on, and hopefully provide some value around that. Because again, in terms of the carpet cleaners that we work with, the ones that we see that we have the most success with are the people that are business owners first, carpet cleaners second, basically entrepreneurs, business owners that happen to own a carpet cleaning business. We see more success with those guys, those that are carpet cleaners first, business owners second. They're the ones that typically struggle because they don't have that kind of mindset and the right kind of grounding and foundations around business around them. I'm hopeful with this video that we can really kind of get people in that kind of right direction. Like I say, I think it's certainly in the carpet cleaning world or the cleaning world, I haven't really come across anybody that really talks about the basic business principles that are really the foundations for any business. So I really want to cover that in here. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I own a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry. We specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot guaranteed. Over the last 12 months, we've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners, and we continue to do so to this day. We've spent over $2 million on paid advertising, so we really know what works, what converts. And I'm on a personal mission to help as many cleaning business owners as humanly possible, either through working with them one-on-one with our digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right into this presentation. Owner operator versus multi-truck operation, carpet cleaner, business acumen, and general business acumen 101. So there's two main assets of wealth and ambition really when it comes to owning a business or any kind kind of business. Most people want more money. That's why they start a business. They want to make more money. And the other reason that people start their own business is freedom, right? To have more freedom, not to have a boss, to be your own boss, to be able to decide what days you take off, to not have to ask permission to go on vacation, to be able to take as much vacation as possible, to be in charge and to have more time for yourself, for your family, etc., etc., etc. Time and money, they really are the two biggest currencies in the world. So let's just draw a line under that and move on. Next, and this is a really, really, really important thing for all people to understand. With money, if you lose money, if you lose $100, if you lose $1,000, you can always get it back again. You can lose $500 one month and make $10,000 the next month. There is an abundance of money. If you lose it, you can always get it back. Now, here's an interesting concept. With time, once that time is gone, once you've lost it, you can never, ever get it back. It's gone forever. And so, therefore, time commonly is thought of as the most valuable currency of wealth on the planet. Like I said earlier in the video, if you look at any of the big multi-billion-dollar entrepreneurs on the planet and stuff like that, if you read any biographies, books, business books, self-help books, business growth books, they will all talk about this. And most business owners, top-level business owners, the thing that they value most is time. And time is like gold dust. Once it's gone, you can never, ever get it back. And so time for them is the most valuable thing on this earth. Right, moving on from there, what you can do, and again, this is back down to like basic principles of like business acumen. The people that are super successful, the people that make the most money, the people that absolutely kill it in this world in terms of business owners, entrepreneurship, the most successful people are leveraging other people's time with money so that you don't use up your time, so that you can focus on working on your business, not in it. And again, we're back to referring, as I said at the start, the two most valuable currencies on this earth when it comes to business owners, success, so on and so forth, are both time and money. And so what the most successful people do is this: they use one of the currencies, money, to leverage other people's time. They buy time with other people's time with money so that you don't have to give up your time in the knowledge that you'll never get it back, so that you can focus on working on your business overall, not in it. Let that sink in for a moment. Let that sit with you. Like, instead of you spending all day or all afternoon or a day or whatever it is working on your books, figuring out your accounts, use money to use somebody else's time so that you can buy that time back for yourself, so that you don't have to do it and waste that time that you'll never get back. Because trust me, right, as the CEO, as the owner of the business, you crunching numbers, filling in a tax return form is not the best use of your time. You are much better placed trying to figure out the strategy, spending your time thinking about the bigger picture to take your company to the next level, right? And even outside of like business for a minute, those 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a week or whatever it is that you spend doing your books, that's spent time that you could spend more time with your family. That's time where you could be doing something that you enjoy, whether that's a hobby, whether that's going on vacation, whether that's spending an afternoon with your kids or whatever. Because don't forget, once that time is gone, it's gone forever. You are never getting it back. Every day, every minute that ticks by, you're just getting closer and closer and closer to death. Fact. That's it. And once you've gone, that's it. And you're never gonna get this time back ever again. So time is the most valuable thing on this earth. Don't waste it, right? And if you can pay someone $150, couple of $100 a month to handle your accounts so that you don't have to, you have now just bought yourself another 2-3 hours a week, and you can now use that time and do something that's more valuable, more productive, that's gonna move that needle forward for you in the business. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. We've got plenty more awesome content lined up for you to help you grow, scale, take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. And if you would like to find out about working with us on a one-on-one basis with our specialist program, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.